Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z, the world's best reconditioned battery. Today, we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 we're installing a battery into. We have the hood already open, and right now we're using a long extension with a 14 millimeter. Normally is that size of the bolt that holds down the bracket of the battery. Normally in the center of the battery itself. So get you a long extension with a 14 millimeter and twist it counterclockwise. And normally these brackets have a long bolt, so it's gonna take you a couple times to twist until you actually get the bolt out. So just be patient, it will come out. Alright, we finally got that bracket out. Remove the positive cap. And what you need now is a 10-inch millimeter. And what you want to do is you want to take that negative out first, which is normally called the ground. And counterclockwise, just turn the wrench. And just wiggle the negative, because sometimes some of those negative terminals is really tight on the negative post of a battery. So you just want to keep turning clockwise to try to get that bolt off. And normally what we do is we normally try to just wiggle the negative post to get it off. We got that off, so now we want to reach over to your positive side. Use that 10 millimeter bolt and turn it clockwise. Take your time and getting that off as well. And once you turn it a little few bit, you usually can normally wiggle the positive side as well, and that will come off. Okay, now it's time to reach out, and we're going to try to lift this battery up. Take your time, because normally the battery weighs about 45 to 50 pounds. So take your time and turn it sideways and get it out of there. Now we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery, Guyz. And normally what goes in this car is an H6 battery, so we're putting that same battery right back into this vehicle. But as you can see, it's a snug fit, so you kind of have to turn it sideways a little bit, try to angle it in there. Make sure that your cables is freely out the way when you're putting the battery back in there as well. And then what you want to do is put your positive post back on, and put your negative post as well. Voila, you have a perfectly installed battery.